What's going on, my YouTubers? I got a new pistol. SDS Imports by T-Sauce. And it's just a quick unboxing right quick. Let's go. Yeah, these two interchangeable grip inserts. Came with the little key thing in there. Got this little paddle holster for it. Yeah, this is definitely like a duty holster outside the waistband. You know, law enforcement, armed security, whatever. Of course, this I never use it. I'm never going back to doing security, which I used to be an armed officer once upon a time, but anyway. Oh yeah. Got your little cleaning rod, cleaning brush. It's nice. You get two 18-round magazines, 18 plus 1. These magazines are compatible with, I believe it's the SIG 226 magazines. Met guard. Yep. P226. Yep. And here's the actual pistol. Here's the other magazine right here. And you can speed load it too. Nice. So thanks, T-Sauce. Get two 18-round magazines. Here's the actual pistol. Let's get that safety plug out. Of course, it's clear. The grip don't really feel solid in my hand. It's not bad, but this part don't really stand out to me. When I grab a pistol, I like for it to, you know what I'm saying, like grip my hand. I'll probably add like one of them little Italian grips or like a whole grip or something on it, maybe. But mag release. Nice. The safety is ambidextrous for you left-handers. Safety on, safety off. Slide release. Just the takedown lever right here. I can already see it. I don't know how to take it down yet though, but I found out. Well, I figured it out. Shit, it ain't hard. But anyway, I see the front and rear grip serrations. Nice, nice. Yeah. Zigana PX-9. I don't know if y'all can see that. By T-Sauce. SDS, Knoxville, Tennessee. Okay, this gun is from Turkey. Oh, it's a Turkish gun. But one thing I do like about this pistol, just from looking at it, this front sight, sitting nice and high. I guess that allows you to get a shot on target quicker. It's empty, y'all, don't worry. I'm just showing y'all this front sight. See that? I really don't like this rear one. This gun definitely looked like it was made in Turkey or some shit, but I ain't heard nothing bad about it. All the serial numbers is on the bottom. Yep. And it was just a unboxing. Oh, so these are rounds I'm gonna use for it. Fiocchi, reduced ricochet, hollows. Thanks for watching.